Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with my very first layout using my scrapbooking store kit for the month of September. So here you can see I'm kind of playing around with some mixed media backgrounds that I had created previously. In the end, I'm going to decide to just use a pattern paper. And so I am also participating in the patterned paper challenge for Scraptember today. So I have these two gorgeous photos of Hannah Lemieux and I when I went to go visit her. She and I went to a lavender farm together and we did this little impromptu photo shoot, and I just love how these photos turned out, and so I had to scrapbook them with this gorgeous kit. So if you're not a member of the scrapbooking store, you need to use my link below, run over there right now and become a member because they're amazing. Okay, so I go through a lot of just hemming and hawing with this layout. I absolutely love how it turns out, but I had the hardest time coming up with what I wanted to do for this layout. This kit is just so pretty that I think it intimidated me, and I'm not easily intimidated. I am with scrappy supplies, but at the same time, I feel this is the first kit I've gotten from this kit club that I was just like, oh my gosh, I don't want to mess it up. The other ones I can just dive in and just have so much fun. And this one, I had a lot of fun making it, but I was just so afraid to mess up these papers because they were just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so you can see I matted the photos on a light pink piece of paper, and then I'm putting them onto a dark pink. And then I bring in this pretty floral, but the background, the mustard yellow color, just doesn't go very well with the other colors that I had on the layout or even in our photos. So this is where I'm going to decide, okay, I don't really like that. So I flip it over to the other side and it works out perfect. I love the words and the phrases that are on that side, and the color just goes so much better. So now here I am cutting out this piece. Now this is a 4x4 cut apart sheet, and I thought maybe I would cut it out, fussy cut the floral out of it and then use that. Then I decide, no, I don't want to do that. So here I'm playing with this really pretty floral paper, and I like this, but at the same time, I just feel like something's missing. So I am going to kind of play around with a few things, and then I bring in this butterfly paper. Now this butterfly paper is a very interesting color, and I have no idea what color to say it is because it's a little purple, but it's gray as well. It's a very interesting color. So I decide to use that as my background, and I feel like that helps the photos pop off of the page so much better than that white background mixed media paper. So now here I'm going to start gluing everything down. I really like how I kind of made everything askew on the layout. I don't know why I did it. I just kind of at the last minute was like, hey, that would look good. So I decided to do that. Then I'm going to turn this scrap piece around, and I am going to layer with this. You can see already I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different pattern papers on this layout. Isn't that crazy? Maybe just 5. I don't remember. But I'm totally impressed with myself that I used so many of the pattern papers. Totally impressed with myself. So now I'm going to glue down this cute little ripped paper, and then I'm going to glue down the whole photo mat piece. I'm pretty sure I popped that up onto some fun foam. Now I'm thinking about the title and maybe a little bit more embellishing. So in the upgrade kit, we got this washi tape, the thickers, and those wood buttons that you see in the bottom left-hand corner. And so what I decided to do is I am going to use the washi tape kind of as like another paper layer. And this washi tape must be old because it did not want to come off of the white background. So that's the reason why you can see it so well. I actually pull it, I think I pull it up at one point. See right here, I pull it up and it ends up coming off of the white paper. So I am like, oh, hey, I can actually use it as washi tape. But then I realize it doesn't stand out as much, but that's okay. I decide that's fine. I like it still. I know it's there and it looks pretty to me. So now I am thinking about embellishing and the title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down a few of these pretty floral stickers from this sticker sheet, and then I'm going to, oh, you know what? I don't think I did pop the photo up. I swear I thought I had popped the photos up on some fun foam, but I don't think I did. I end up using these cute little phrases. That top one with the florals says "be beautiful," I think, or something like that. Maybe it says something about besties. I can't quite see it very well. Then I have this sticker that says beautiful, and I was like, oh, that needs to be part of my title. So I decide to put down my title right now, and it is going to be Beautiful Besties, which just worked out so perfect because I wasn't really sure what I wanted to name this layout. I thought about, gorgeous friends or gorgeous women or, something like that. But then when I had that beautiful sticker, oh, it just totally fell into place. So that was really awesome. So I'm going to mess around with the title here for a little while, and I think I end up eventually leaving it here where I have it. And I really like how this turns out. I'm going to add some of this washi tape to this cluster as well, and I really like that. I decide to leave the white backing paper on it just so that it does pop off of the background and you can actually see the washi tape design. So there you go. I'm going to put it on both sides of these florals, and that works out really well and is done. I add it to this bottom floral cluster as well. And let's see, I'm not really sure what else I do with this one. I made this one a couple of weeks ago, but I'm finally getting around to posting it. This kit is gorgeous. If you are not a member, like I said, you need to run over and go get it. This is the I Am collection that came out this year, which is really different for the scrapbooking store because normally we do older kits or older collections in our kits. And so this was so exciting to get this collection and to be able to use it. Now I am adding another piece of washi tape. So this one is a blue design. I don't remember if I think it's pluses. I don't remember. Maybe it's hearts. It might be hearts. I just thought it was really pretty color, and so I'm going to add that to just two of the clusters, and then that is going to be it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you follow all the links down below to the other ladies. Also, check out the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club. Thanks for watching. Bye!